hamu ya da manemu ya mako school ya yirumu kodwa ya yirumu tukwan na nipa bonifuo yi se ukodi o munsamu a before be wukura no abrani amane obefam ansa na wawu no asori e mo be nyina yempie efremoku e mo be nyina yempie ni amfanya asemhia na yanhwe na yantoto no maye because ya no bamu a bigidi pass e eno ma be koye na se ya no amam ni agya man say we dey a group of people na me dey person no man na abako na tia ye otsira yanim ana begu ase eti oman bapa die na bra ni anyina na yanko omonten so ni anya ma mu hu say bi akoso no enye ebokro abo oman ya misram Archbishop Mensa Emmanuel Yabua Miracle Throne Mission.
Arise, O the days of tomorrow. Let's go build a nation divine you. A nation of
guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. If this is your first time on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do want to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. So today I'm here with another news. Yeah, according to this very video we're about to check out, it said tension in Ghana as Ghanaians hit the streets of Accra to protest against the Igbo king and Nigerians in Ghana. All right, you know, Ghana youth has been waiting. They've been waiting for this very day. You know, the protest was cancelled, I think, once. So this time around, they wanted to cancel this same protest. But they said to themselves, no, with or without protection or with or without the government accepting, we are going to come out and protest. This is our right, you know. This will let you know that the voices of the youth must be heard in Ghana. Their voices is very important. Yeah, when it comes to youth, like people in Ghana, Ghanaians, their voices is very important. Unlike my country, Nigeria. If this happened in Nigeria, maybe there will be bloodshed, there will be, you know, so many things happening. But we thank God that finally they've stood on their ground and now the protest is taking place. At least the government will listen to them. That's if they will, but we hope and pray that the government will listen to them and, you know, do the right thing. Because we, the Nigerians living legally in Ghana, we also want something to be done. Yes, yeah, we want something to be done. We are not in support of all the bad things happening in Ghana. No, you can't leave your country and come up with some kind of things here, be doing even some things that you don't even do it in your country. You come to someone else's country and do it. Nah, it's unacceptable. We don't accept that. Me as a Nigerian, I don't accept that. And I'm in support, like 100% support of everything that is happening right now. I wish I can go out and join them, but you know, I'm a foreigner also. So this very protest is not just about Nigerian and Igbo must go wahala. But according to Honorable Hassan Ayariga, he said that it's not just Nigerians that are in Ghana, that are foreigners in Ghana. We have Chinese, we have other people too. So all the foreigners that are here illegally, yes, this protest is for them also. So guys, let's jump into the video already. Yeah, pop into the car. Let me drive you to the right location. Let's get right into it and I will be right back.
Arise, O the days of tomorrow. Let's go build a nation divine you. A nation of
I don't care. Nobody can stop this demonstration. We are working right now. I've given out a big vehicle, and that's why they are the one calling me, and I was cutting them. They are going around the whole town, the whole of Accra, making announcement that the demonstration is coming on tomorrow. They will do that until 11 midnight.
Okay. And where is it started from? Where is the meeting?
They're all over.
No, I mean, like, where is the meeting from? Where is the meeting?
The meeting point is Obrasport.
Obrasport.
Everybody listening. If you have a family who is listening, those who are listening on social media and your platform, you should tell their people to come out in their numbers. We are going to start at Obrasport tomorrow, 7 o'clock sharp.
Is it against specifically Nigerians or all foreigners?
It's against Nigerians and their attitude, and foreigners with their criminal acts.
And
it's important.
Would you like to see the Igbo into parentheses king deported?
No, we will have to deport him. He should go back and reapply to come to that. Now, Ghanaians know who loves them more, who is there to protect them. It's not about politics. It's not about putting platforms and then campaigning. It's about doing what is right. If you stand for your citizens, look, all my kids' school in Ghana, I have nowhere to go. If Ghana is burning, it's going to burn with me and my children. Most of them have their children out there. They don't really care. I care because every citizen in Ghana is mine. Whether I'm president or I'm not president, I see everyone as family. So I will stand on my feet as Hassan Ayerga. Even if I'll be the last man standing, I will definitely be the last person. I will not fall. And I will not fall down with this fight.
Okay.
And hundreds of this fight, Hassan Ayerga will face them. Thousands of this kind of attitude, I will face them. I am not looking for political, what do you call it, goals in order to do that. No, I wouldn't do it.
Doctor, you made mention in your earlier statements that there is an upcoming protest tomorrow. Will you be part of that protest? Will you show up at the protest where it is starting, and give us a little bit of information about the protest?
Let's get there tomorrow. We've organized everything.
Yeah, but where is it starting and how will this protest?
Listen to me. What we intend to do is to make the world know that this matter of our sovereignty is not a joke. People call me, look, this particular Igbo chief or whatever he calls himself, I've gotten people who have called me that they want to bring me to my house, and I declined. Several.
Did they tell you the reason why he wanted to see you?
He wants to come and plead with me and beg with me to drop the matter. I said, look, my friend, you think I'm doing it for anything? You can't pay me. That's number one. You can't buy me. That's number two. I don't sell my conscience. That's number three. If you want, you can go and sit with all the people that you want to sit with. But I'm the last person you sit with when you try my country. Look, I've lived in Germany before. I've studied in the US before. I've gone around the world. I know how people respect their own country and protect their country.
Exactly.
I'm not just a mere Dr. Hassan Ayerga. No. I'm 52 years old. I've experienced the world. So many countries I've been to, people protect their sovereignty. People will die for their own country. It is only in Ghana that we don't care. We run away from our responsibilities and say, no, we're there. Somebody was on a platform today, a very big platform, that is meant for politicians and then national security elders and then security alert. The person said, this man has apologized. Forget this thing. I looked at it, I said, your low thinking mind. This is how you people think. You think it's about this man? It's about precedents being set. And if not controlled, it will get out of hand tomorrow. I don't know this man. Even if this man stops, we must put the dynamics in place. You think Ghana, we have another country again?
No.
We don't have another country again. Your children, my great-grandchildren, my children are all Ghanaian. That is their only country. If we allow economical takeover, then political takeover too will come. When foreigners take over your country, look, Nigerians are not the only people who have taken over our country. Chinese are all over the country.
As you can see for yourself, yeah, this isn't lie, it's the truth. This is happening right here in Ghana. The protest finally is come, like the day has come that the protest is happening. At least it's gonna calm Ghanaians down. You know, they failed them the first time. This time around, they beat their chest and say, no, it's not gonna happen again. And I love their their braveness. I've never seen people who are brave like this. I know Nigerians can be brave sometimes, but they have fear in them. The only thing they sabi do now to come on social media and be talking anyhow. Common simple thing where they for do for their country. They are running. Look at Tinubu, will be old man, you know, get strength to do anything. Nigerians are scared of him. I don't know. Only few people that I see in Nigeria coming out to say their mind. They are brave enough to come out and say their mind. But look at how people are in the street of Accra, Ghana today. You know, pouring out their mind. The government must to answer them. They must, by fire, by force, they must answer them. We cannot wait for the bad Nigerians. They should fish them out and send them back. Oh, those people that don't have papers and all, they should send them back to Nigeria. That's where they deserve to be. You cannot be in another man's land illegal and you will be doing all manners of crimes. No, it's unacceptable. No, not in Ghana. You can go to your country and do whatever you want to do. I even see them coming out to challenge Ghanaians like, Ghanaians too are into crimes. So some people are even saying, a Ghanaian sent. Yeah, Ghanaians are doing as if they are sent. Hey, bro, sis, no matter what it is, see, you don't have right to come to someone else's country and do some shit. You can do it, yeah, in your country you can do it. So if a Ghanaian is doing something illegal in his country, yes, it's his country. Is it your country? What they are saying is that go back to your country and do whatever you want to do. If your government accepts that, then fine. That's just what they are talking about. Because they cannot give you peace, then you give them violence. No. And that's exactly what is happening. So this protest is not just about Nigerians, as you can hear from Honorable Hassan Ayariga. So guys, you know, everything that has to begin also has an end. I've come to the end of my video. Now the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Do well to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. And again, I will not, you know, close this episode without sending an appreciation to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always returning back to this very channel. And if this is your first time on this channel, you've watched this video from beginning to this time, you've not subscribed, why? I dare massa. I dare madam, meow. Please subscribe already, and also press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Don't you want to be the first to get notified? Click that button already. Guys, I love you always. Bye.